Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the English class. All of you open your English textbooks. Open page number 42. So, in related to the story of Harsha the firefighter, there are two exercises are remind. Okay, let us complete today. Okay, all of you open page number 42, right? So, what we have to do, see here. Sequence the picture in order. Sequence the picture in order means in this space pictures are there, right? And pictures are there related to that picture. In the town of the pictures there are sentences, right? So these are all in jumbled. These are all jumbled. Jumbled means తిరగా మరగా అన్ని ఆర్డర్లో లేవు. సో ఒక దాని తర్వాత ఒకటి అలా లేవు. సో జంబల్ మీన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఆర్డర్లో లేవు, ఒక దాని తర్వాత ఒకటి వస్తుంది కదా, అలా లేదు. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒకటి ఉన్న ప్లేస్లో ఇంకొకటి ఉంది, ఇంకొకటి ఉన్న ప్లేస్లో ఇంకొకటి ఉంది, అంటే అంత తికమకగా ఉంది, జంబల్ చేసి ఉంది. సో హియర్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, సీక్వెన్స్ ద పిక్చర్స్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్. సో మనం ఇవన్నీ ఇప్పుడు సీక్వెన్స్లో పెట్టాలి అన్నమాట. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ దెమ్ ఇన్ ఏ సీక్వెన్స్ ఆర్డర్. మీన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లేస్ దెమ్ ఇన్ అన్ ఆర్డర్. ఓకే ఓకే సో ఫస్ట్ see the pictures, children, and you all learn the story, right? Okay, and when you see the picture and the given sentence, you have an idea then when the sentence will come in the story. Okay, first see, this is the first picture, right? And what was the sentence? So what is the sentence is here means we are going to meet a firefighter today. We are going to meet a firefighter today. So this is the first sentence. Okay, when we start reading the story, this is the first sentence we will write. So Renu stands in front of mirror and she thinks like today we are going to meet a firefighter. Okay, this is the first sentence. So write number 1 here. Okay, and after that what will happen, children? Say yes, her dad comes and says that today we are, her dad comes and says that firefighters are very brave and very helpful. And next Renu, so related to the sentence there is any picture here? No, there is no, right? So next, now we'll go to the next sentence. And next what will happen in the story? So when dad says like that, Renu looked at in under his bed and took his fire engine toy. Okay, so like that, is there any picture or sentence? No. Then what will happen next? Renu and his dad get into car. Okay, Renu and his dad get into car. Okay, and dad says that okay, today we are going to meet a Miss Varsha, right? So related to the sentence there is a picture here. Yes, see this. So we will meet Miss Varsha, says dad. Okay, they both are getting to the car and dad says that today we are going to meet a Miss Varsha. Okay, this is the second. Okay, right, second. 2, I mean number 2. And third, so when they visit the fire station, in that place they all so related to that picture, related to the sentence, there is a picture here. Hello, Miss Varsha says. Okay, when Miss Varsha meets Renu, she will say hello, right? This is the third one. Okay, write 3. Okay, like that, complete these 3. So after this, what will come? So like that, all of you complete these 3. Okay. And now see this, page number 43. Okay, this is an interesting game and we call it as an puzzles also. Okay. So most probably we found this type of puzzles in newspapers or in books. Okay. I will say how to do. Okay. All of you do. Okay. In this, what we have to do means here words are given, right? Here words are given. So see, this is a grid. So in this grid, there will be a letters in jumbled way. Okay. But here some words are there, right? So from these jumbled words, we have to find where these words are there. Where these words are there. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక గ్రిడ్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ గ్రిడ్ లో మొత్తం ఆల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి. మనకి ఇక్కడ కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్ ఇచ్చారు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద వర్డ్స్ వి హ్యాడ్ హియర్? ఎల్లో, హెల్మెట్, ఫైర్, back, loud, ladder, heavy, siren. So from this puzzle box, we have to find where these words are there. Okay. So these words are in the continuous sentence same ga untai. So ikkada see I, F, T, H. So ala kaakunda. So now let us see yellow, Y, E, L, L, O, W. Okay. Now let us search where is yellow is there. Okay. See here. Y, E, L, L, O, W. Yellow, right? So spelling in sentence, spelling in correct form only, right? So now circle this. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Okay, like this in this grade, you have to find. So we had completed yellow, right? So you have to find all these words. Okay, whether it in straight words or whether it is in up to down or whether it is in down to up. Okay. Okay, I will see one more. Okay, I will say one more. Okay. What is the second one? Helmet. Okay, now we have to find the word helmet. See, H-E-L-M-E-T, helmet. Okay, this is the spelling of helmet only, right? H-E-L-M-E-T. So circle this, helmet. Helmet. Okay, so like that you all search these words and circle in this grid. Okay. Okay children, this is about today's English class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.